you know what? Funny, one of the things I love about a guest is one who comes out on the tear after the show. And
Piers Morgan.
Piers Morgan, we didn't go on the tear. I think we went on a fun-sized tear with Piers. That was about 2 or 3 pints. That was quite polite. But like on Tubridy tonight, for example, we went out with a relatively unknown actor called Michael Fassbender at the time, and we ended up in relative kind of family members' house, having beers and singing songs, and we had just a great night. I remember thinking, look at you, Fassbender. You sing, you act. Girls think you're gorgeous. I'm calling you a taxi. Get out. I feel like rubbish looking. But it's one of those. I love the guests who go for. John C. Reilly came down to a pub with us after the show. And honestly, God, we got into a big conversation about music. And sometimes you're sitting there and you're having a pint and you just go, wow, roll the camera. This is the interview.
Yeah.
And he ended up singing, I think it was The Old Triangle, word for word on his own with the guitar. And that was pretty powerful. And you just get nights like that where you just have great fun. Dara Breen's great for post-show chats and a few beers. I think when they moose, I always feel that's a pity. But most times it is very fleeting.